video, we are just going to see VBA for beginners and example number 12, which is from these 25 examples already I have completed. 10 sets of example and one more video on 11th example already I given, and this is going to be the 12th example. And this is the worksheet in which we are going to execute it, and this is the place, the VB editor, in which we are going to take the code received through ChatGPT and we are going to see this. Example 12, write today's date to cell. So previously we have seen that date should be displayed on the message box only. Now the date is going to be written in the cell, whatever cell we are giving here. Okay. So with all the other macros, by this time you would have come to this place of putting your own code. Okay. So date to cell is the macro name and range A1 is there. I will, instead of A1, I will put it as M1. You can put it any other range also, and then see this range M1 is written with the value of the date, whatever date as of now. Okay. So we will just execute now by creating this. Where is this M1? Okay. M1 is in this place. It is going to display the date. So shall we run this macro now? Okay. Click on this and go to this Excel sheet. See this today date. This is, okay, actually 10th January. So this is 01 is your M and then slash, then DD. DD is 10 and slash YY. This format it is there. Okay. In my computer, it is set as month format. Month first is first two digits are for month, the second two digits are for the date, and the final two digits are for the year. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have already subscribed my channel DPAB, thank you very much. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are not able to subscribe, please have one Gmail account, go to YouTube, sign in, and then watch my videos, and then you will be able to subscribe. Click the bell icon button and write comment, and you will be able to press like button also, share to your friends also. Thank you. Take care. Bye.